Welcome! In front of me I have MIBRO Watch T1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. So if you want to change the straps on your watch, first you will need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back on your watch you will see that on each strap we have the basically a lever we can pull on. And to release the strap, what you need to do is to pull this lever towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull it, it will release the pin from the watch and it will release the strap so you can pull it out. So let's pull on it. It's quite hard to get to it because it's like right next to the watch. You can use some kind of flat thing like a card or something, or a fingernail, pull on it, and then it will release. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. Basically we have two pins on each side of the strap and one is retractable. So if you pull on the pin, on the lever, it retracts the pin, and once the pin retracts from the watch, there is a hole on the watch that the pin sits in. Once it retracts, it releases the strap and you can pull it out. Let's do the same for the other one, like that. And here we have our watch and our straps. And once you get these new straps and you want to put them on, it's quite simple. Just take the strap, you take this side of the strap, the one further away from on the opposite side of the lever, you put it into a hole on the watch. So basically here we have a hole. I'm gonna put this pin into that hole, like this, like that. Then pull on the lever to retract this pin, which is a bit hard, but then once you retract it, push the strap in, and it should click in. For some reason it is fighting with me, so let's try again. Come on, like that. Try to wiggle it a little. Oh, still fighting. Okay. Oh, it clicked in, and once it clicks in, it will hold. You can hear that click when you put it in correctly. Okay, let's do the same for the other side. So put the pin in right here, pull on this one, align it. You can like fidget with it and hopefully it will click in. Come on. Like this. Okay. Oh, it clicked in. Okay, and here we have it. This one is a bit harder than most of them because it's at the angle, so it's kind of hard to align the pin with the hole to make it click in. But we have it, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.